Commonwealth Games gold medalist and 2019 world champion, breaking the glass, set numerous records for badminton in India at the highest level. Sindhu is the most successful Indian female athlete at the Olympics, and she is the first female Indian athlete to achieve the following: win two individual Olympic medals, Rio 2016, Tokyo 2020, silver medal at the Olympics, Rio 2016. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands up in the air, give a big round of applause to invite Shri PV Sindhu.
Good morning everyone, and thank you for being here. Like you said in the morning just now, it is our pleasure to host this event with having the honor of PV Sindhu being here with us to flag off this event. The Bridgestone Dueler 80 is our tire meant for the SUV segment, and it gives a complete all-round experience to our consumers both off-road and on-road. So very happy to be here. Thank you, Ms. PV Sindhu, and we look forward to making this product a great success in the Indian market. Thank you so much.
All, and thanks for coming here. It's a little bit hot, so really appreciate your coming. We are, as Raj mentioned, we just launched a new tire which is called Dueler All-Terrain Tire. This adds to our portfolio of already pretty good set of tires. This is something which works very well in rough terrains as well as highway terrains. That's why it's called All-Terrain. The consumer it focuses on is somebody who is really involved in driving and loves to go to different terrains, and also likes to do city driving. So it's for all kind of needs. So we'll be launching and flagging off a new kind of marketing event called Trailblazers, and we have a company of PV Sindhu, who is our brand ambassador and a long-time partner. She'll be with us in terms of flagging off this event. Thank you very much.
Great pleasure to be here today and talking about Bridgestone. I think my association with Bridgestone, I think it started off and it's already been 7 years now. Thank you so much, sir, for having me here. And I think, as Bridgestone always believes in superior quality and high performance, I too believe in that, and I think it resembles the same for me in my professional life. I think Bridgestone being number one, always number one tires, I wish Bridgestone all the very best, and here we are today to launch the new tires, which says, I think as everybody know, Dueler All-Terrain. I think it drives across all the terrains and across, as sir said, on off-road and on-road. And I think it's wonderful, sir. I'm sure, everybody needs that, because a lot of people go on off-roads and of course on-roads and want a very comfortable drive as always. And I think here we are with new tires today. And I once again wish Bridgestone all the very best. And as always, I wish them that, your tires would be number one throughout. And I wish you all the very best.
Can I hear you say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have the flag off.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, I need to hear the applause loud and clear for the very new Dueler All-Terrain 80,002.
Yes.